Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we'll learn about the packages in Java. So it's a very widely used and very important concept in Java. And in each and every real world projects, you will see lots of the different packages are used in Java. So it's a very important concept which you should supposed to learn very carefully. I'll tell you that if you watch this video without skipping, without fast forwarding, without dragging, you will get the basics of packages clear in front of you. So please watch these videos properly. So what is packages in Java? In general terms, a package in Java is nothing but it's like a directory. It's like a directory or a folder which consists of similar classes, interfaces and sub-packages for doing a particular job. For example, you are creating a package for your university. So you will create classes for hostel, classes for the departments, and classes for suppose for manipulating and organizing events and all. You are creating one classes. Similarly, supporting interfaces and sub-packages you are creating. So all these things related to this particular job of the university you will put in a single folder, right? So that will become a package. Now you are creating another set of the different projects for suppose transport. So that will keep in a separate folder. And suppose the name of the folder is transport. So transport become another package. In this way, we organize similar classes and interfaces for doing a particular job in a specific container in Java. That container is known as package. A Java package is a group of similar type of classes. So this is the concept over here. Similar types of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. So you should supposed to always remind this thing, recall and keep in mind this thing. Packages are of two types. Packages are of two forms in Java. One is the built-in, another is the user-defined packages. So built-in packages are those packages which comes with Java when you install. It comes to your program automatically. You no need to do anything, but you have to just take that packages to your program. That's it. You no need to create the classes for that, interfaces of that package, because it's already available. The methods which is there inside the classes or interfaces all are already available. Just you have to get the packages using the import statement. I'll go to this thing, what is import statement later. So there is something known as the import statement. Using that, we can take the classes and interfaces of a package into your program. So that is the inbuilt packages. Yes, and there is another concept known as the user-defined packages. So we'll mostly focus on the user-defined packages over here. The user-defined packages tells that how you can create your own package and keep the similar kind of classes and interfaces in a single container. That's what we'll discuss over here. That's all about the user-defined packages. Okay, now we are going through the examples of some of the built-in packages. Some of the examples of built-in packages we'll see here. So these packages are already available as I told, and most important built-in package is java.lang. So this package is automatically imported to your program. So even if you write a simple Java program of hello world and just print using the system.out.println hello world. So that Java program also has included, that is imported in your Java program, java.lang package. So this java.lang package consists the basic classes like system class. That's why you can write system.out.println. In the system class, we have out an operator and we have the println method. That's why you can call this println method and print something. Are you getting? In the same package, we have the string class, string buffer class. Yes, which you use generally without importing any package in your class, because it's all available in the java.lang package and which is already available to your program. Whenever you import java.lang, whenever you create any Java program, it is imported automatically. So you can get the benefit of the classes which is available inside the java.lang. But these are the Java defined packages, other built-in packages like java.io, which consist of all the supporting classes for input output management in Java. Then we have java.util. This built-in Java package consists of all the classes which is required for data structure related things. Similarly, we have the java.applet. For creating Java applet, we require many classes. Those are available over here. Similarly, we have java.awt. It consists of the classes for graphical user interfaces, creation and all these things. you have the java.net package, which is used for, which is a container for the classes to do all the from network related operations. So that's why it is named as java.net. So these are the system defined and built in Java packages. Now we'll focus mainly on user defined packages. What do you mean by the user defined packages? User defined packages are those packages which you can create your own and then you can use later. So it will support your code reusability. Suppose you have created some classes and interfaces for an university, right? So that same classes and interfaces can be used for some other university job also, because in most of the universities, many of the operations are same. So you don't need to write down the code again. You keep it in a particular container known as the package. And you can import the package and use the same classes and interfaces and their methods to do the same job done again. In this way, Java packages provides you the code reusability and the organization of your classes and interfaces which you have done, which you have created already. Yes, so you'll see it with a particular program. There is a package. See this, how to create a package by using the package keyword. This is the keyword to create a package. Write down package before your program. It should be at the very beginning. The first statement should be this, package. Even if you import some other package, that should be after this package heading only. I'll go through with that later. So what's the syntax? What is the signature for creating a package? You have to first use the package keyword. Separated space by the name of the package which you want to provide. Any name you can provide over here. Then you have to provide a semicolon. Then whatever you write inside, that becomes under this package, under this container, under this folder. You can assume in this way. So in this particular example, public class my class is defined inside package my package. So this my class and its methods all are available inside where? Inside the my package. So here in my class we have public void get names string s as an argument, and it is printing that string which is passed in get names y calling, correct? So we'll use the same thing through the program. I'll show you the same thing using a program. So we'll start a new project. We'll go through the new Java project and we'll give the name as my package. Yes, my package is the name of the project. Now we are going to create a package. What is the name of the package? My package, right? So we'll give the name my package. Yes. So the name of the package is what? My package here. Inside there we are creating a class. Create new class. What should be the name of the class? My class. That's what I'm just going to give the names. Yes. In my class now, see this. In the my class, when you created using the IDE, automatically this package is provided. Why? Because it knows that you have given the name of this particular package as my package. Yes. So even if you don't give, then it will not be working. See, it's giving an error. You have to give this. If you don't give this, the Java compiler doesn't know where this public class my class resides on, because you are anyways creating this my package. So this my package, if you want to give the name in any other package name, will also see this. I'll save it. Now it is not working. It is giving a compile time error. So it is basically asking that the package name should be same as the package you have created over here. And if you go to the Eclipse workspace, then you can see the same thing. If you go to the Eclipse workspace, you can see that a named folder is created with the same name. See, my package is created now. See, in the Eclipse workspace, my package is created. This folder is created with the name of my package. Yes, in the source, you can see that my package is created. This is the package actually. That's the project name, and this is the package name. This is the project name, correct? This is the project name, my package. And this is the name of this package we have created. What I'm going to show you over here only, my package. Inside there, my class is there. Because it is a my class, right? So whenever you will create a package, that same named folder will be created inside the Eclipse workspace. Or if you use some other IDE in there, that IDE's workspace, the same thing will be created. So it's a folder kind of thing only. Internally, it's a folder only. So now I'll copy this. Now in my class, getNames method is added, which takes a single string argument and returns void, and that string is being printed if the package is called. Correct. Now we can use the myClass in any of the programs by importing myPackage.myClass. How? Let's create another class, or another package also you can create. This is a hello package. Yes. So this particular project, my package, has two packages inside. One is the hello named package, another is the my package named package. I have shown you the my package named package. Now in the hello package, I'll create a class, a plain class. What should I give the name? Print name. I'll give the same name of the class over here, because here we have the main method, na? So the name of the class should be the same. Yes, it will be having public static void main actually. Now I'll copy here and I'll paste. See this now. It is giving error. Why? Because the Java compiler can't understand what my class is. Because my class is not defined over here, but you're going to create the object of my class. Where the my class is defined, it's defined in myClass.java. Where the my class in Java is there, it's in the package my package. So you have to import this package to your class. You have to import this package to your class. How to import that? That also I have provided in the PDF. You can see it. See, you have to import by using the import keyword. This is the keyword for importing. Is the keyword for importing. You should always use this keyword to make use of any of the system defined or user defined package. So you have to use what? Import. So we have to go to print name. We have to import the package. Import, what's the name of the package? My package. Dot asterisk. What is this actually? What you are doing basically? Import my package. Dot means inside the my package folder, asterisk means whatever is there, whatever the classes and interfaces and whatever the things are there, all the classes and interfaces you are going to make available to this program. Now this error has gone up. Yes, so if I execute now, you will get the output. What output you are getting? Gigs for gigs. Why you are getting the gigs for gigs? Because in my class we are printing here, from the print name, we are passing this string, right? Gigs for gigs in this particular method, getNames. So this getNames is being called with this string value, gigs for gigs, and that's being printed. You can change the value here to give you a better effect. Hello package, then first program. So hello package first program will be printed in the output screen. Hello package first program is being printed. This is your first package program. So you have understood that I have created two packages, hello package and my package. So if you open the hello package and go through any of the classes of the hello package, you can see package hello is provided over here. So if you don't create any package, then nothing will be displayed. On the top, package keyword will not come, because if you use the default package for the class my package, then nothing will come. As you have created the package hello, it is displaying over here package hello. Yes, and as you have created here my package, so in my class it is displaying package my class, package my package. Now if you want to use any other package, because you have used the class my class in the other package, then we have to import this. If you don't use this import statement, then it's giving an error, as I showed you before. And if you run this, it will give an error for sure, because it doesn't know what my class is. Yes, my class cannot resolve to a type. See this error? It can't be resolved to a type. It doesn't know what my class is, what the hell you are doing over here. That's what the Java compiler is believing. It doesn't know what my class is until you import the my package. Immediately you started importing my package, it understood, okay, my class is available where? It's available in my package dot my class. So even you can specify this, my class. So if you give like this, then what does it mean? It will mean that, case sensitivity. So if you print like this, then what you understand, that only we are going to import my class only, my class from that particular package only. So this package might have many things right here. Yes, this package, my package. Here in this example, we have only single class inside my package, my class.java, right? But it may have many other classes also available or many interfaces also available, right? But if you just specify this dot name of the particular class, then only that class is imported to your program, not other classes, if any, or other interfaces, if any. Yes, so there are two ways. If you specify the particular class name, only that class name will come to your program. Only that class content will come to your program, available to your program. Otherwise, you provide asterisks. Then each and everything in the my packages there all will be imported to your program. All will be available to your program. Yes, so that's the first thing we learned about the package. Now we'll see regarding the static import. It's a very nice concept actually. This static import tells that if a particular, static import is a Java 5, and above feature. Before Java 5, this feature were not there. Yes, so if you define a class as public static, and if you want to use that, code without specifying the class name, that's possible. For example, in java.lang package, that's a default package, correct? This java.lang package is a default package, as I told. In this default package, one class is their system, which is static. Yes. So if you import it using the static keyword, see this a different kind of import we are doing. In last example, which I showed you in the clips, we have seen just the import statement. Here, after import, you are using static. So if you static, then what will happen? All the static member can be directly called without giving the class name. So generally we use system.out.println, right? Here you are just using out.println, and this hello package will be successfully printed into the output screen without any compile time error. See here, just take it and sorry, it will give error because package hello should be given. I can copy this part. Yes, and if you print it in the output screen, what will happen? Hello package is printed because this system is a static here. The out.println is static. So out.println can be called directly. Yes, no need to provide here system now. No need to provide this system.out.println. But if you don't import using this static, then what will happen? Anyhow it's imported, right? System is anyhow imported, correct? Because java.lang is built-in package, and it is the automatically imported to each and every Java program. So even if you don't import that, it's available, but you cannot call it by using out.println. So it will give a compile time error because it doesn't know where out is. You have to tell that out is inside system. You have to tell that out is inside system class. Then only it will work. Yes, so that is what all about the static import. So it's a nice concept actually. It makes your program easier to handle static keyword, but most of the programmers actually don't focus on this thing. So I've kept this thing specially for so that you can understand the concept. Now we'll see how the naming conflict can be avoided using packages. It's a very important thing for Java package to learn. Java packages actually, let me give an example. A real world project, suppose you are dealing with a real world Java project. A real world Java project may have 1,000 classes and 500 interfaces or more than that. So now, suppose one part of the project is developed by developer 1, another part of the project is developed by developer 2. Now developer 1 and developer 2, there is a huge chance that they will name the same interface or same class names. Suppose class A is used by developer A and class A is also named by the developer 2. So developer 1 and developer 2 both have defined two classes with different characteristics but in the same name. But a Java project can handle only a single name. Yes, a single name can be there. So in different packages, same name of the classes or interfaces may be there. But when you are importing that, when you are using that particular packages, suppose 2 or 3 packages you are importing to your Java program, it's possible. Any number of packages you can import to your Java program. So if you are importing more than one Java packages and both the Java packages are having the same named class or interface, then what will happen? It will give an error because the Java compiler can't understand which class you are telling about or which interface you are telling about, because both the classes or interfaces with the same name may be available in 2 different Java packages. So on that time we request to conflict management. So how the conflict management can be handled? Yes, for that I have developed this project, and this program is available in front of you. See, this naming conflict, how can be managed. So it's a very nice concept. See, there are two packages here, java.util and java.sql. Util is used for what purpose? It's a built-in package for data structures. Yes, and java.sql is also a built-in package for database management system programming using standard query language. Yes, now this class I have created, the name of the class is naming conflict. In this class we can see that we have used the date class, which is available in java.util also and java.sql also. See, so cute. The java.util also have a date class written inside there, and java.sql package is also having a same name class date inside its package folder. So if you don't specify, and you have imported both the packages here in this program. So if you don't specify that this date class belongs to java.util to Java compiler, then Java compiler can't understand which date you are telling about. The date is available in util also and SQL also. So you have to specify by using this term. So you have to tell that in Java package, inside subpackage util, there is a date class. We are accessing that date class and creating an object named deadline of that particular date class. And in the next line, we are creating the object date for the class date, which is available in Java package and SQL subpackage. So we are creating this. So this date package, this date class is having a different constructor which takes a millisecond as an argument. Yes, system.current time millis. This method has to be called. This method is available inside the system class, which is in the java.lang default automatically imported package. So we can call simply by system.current time millis. So it will get the system time. It will fetch the system time from my laptop, from here, whatever the time I have set. And it will store in the millis. As per the constructor of this date class, now this millis will be passed as the single argument. It's a single argument constructor. And then that date is now fetched. Now date can be printed into the output screen. As simple as that. Now we have the deadline object, which is created for the different package class. Date class, which resides in the java.util.date. And it will also provide, it will call the default constructor of that date class, which is there in java.util package. And then this is being printed. So both will print date in different formats. Both will do the same thing. It will print the date in different formats. See here, it is printed. This object, java.sql, has printed in this format, 20th of September 2021. But in this particular object, deadline, it is printed in completely different format. See? Yes, this java.util.date has printed in terms of the timestamp here. 20th September, it's Monday, 21 is the year, and this is the in second, 10 a.m. 10 hours, 24 minutes, 25 seconds, Indian Standard Time. So they are giving in completely two different format, correct? Now, suppose if you don't want all these things, you just want to create an object of the date. Will it work? Date, my object of the class date, new date. Oh, sorry. What happened? Date, my object, new date. Then tell me what will happen. Why it's giving error? Because the JVM, Java Virtual Machine compiler, can't understand which type of date you are asking about, because date is available in java.util also and java.sql also. So the error is there, multiple markers at this line. The type date is ambiguous. Date cannot be resolved to a type. It can't understand what the date you are asking about, which particular class date. So the only way is to provide that I'm telling about java.util.date. Then it can understand, okay, you are telling about this particular date. See, it can understand now which particular date you are telling about, but it requires some value into the millis. Okay, that's why it is wanting for that. Yes, it requires one argument, right? I have not given the argument. That's why the error is giving. If I use the SQL directly, it can be printed here. Sorry. Date should be D in caps. So for java.sql, we had single parameter, right? For util, we don't have the single parameter. So we can provide it over here, or you can just copy this. Yes, so the same thing is happening over here. So as we see in the last program, when we provided that, hold a minute, I have given some syntactic error. So for this particular line, there is no error. Why there is no error? So if we use like this, then there will be no error. Millis. See now, there is no error in case you're using java.util properly and date, and then you're calling this date line. Then there is no error. Yes, otherwise if you just make a single date, it will be giving some error over there because it can't understand which date you are talking about. See, it is giving error. Although it should not supposed to give error as per the general understanding, but it is giving error because the date class is available in both the packages. Now we'll see the advantages of Java packages. I hope that after seeing this many programs, you understood regarding the advantages of Java packages, correct? What are the advantages it has? First is that better organization. We can organize our classes and interface in a different folders, right? Like you do it for your movies in one folder, your document related to the university in or school in a different folder, or you keep your other files, personal files in different folders. So we can create for a real world Java applications, Java program, Java project, we can create different classes and interfaces and keep in different folders based on our requirement. The next thing is that security. Java package provides access protection. Yes, because you cannot access each and every Java package. You can make the use of private and protected and public keywords to make the access specifiers for a particular package, a particular class of the package, a particular method of the package, that is the package class. And in this way, you can manage the security and visibility of your classes and their methods and the variables as well. And we can resolve the naming conflict. I will not tell about this because just now I told about the naming conflict, how it can be resolved. And reusability is another important thing that I explained already. That is the classes and its method can be reused when imported the package. Just you write once and keep in the single package with a particular package name and remind that I have created that thing in this particular package. Then you can just import the package and keep on working whenever the similar projects are coming. Yes, so we have the Java package. Inside there we have the lang, util and awt packages. Yes, this organization, this is how how the Java itself, the developers of the Java has provided this particular packages and organized in this way. Java.lang package will provide what? System class, string class with the basic classes, and it will be imported automatically. Then Java.util will provide array list and map classes, which will be already available properly if you import these things. And this Java.awt packages will call button Java classes. This will be happening for giving the Windows based application based on Java. So if you import Java.awt, you can get all these features. This is how it is better for organization. Next thing is that how to access packages from another package. How to access packages from another package. Just now in this example, I showed you how a package can be imported from one package to another package. See here. My package is used over here. How you have used that? By importing, correct? See this. Sorry. You have seen that how from a particular package hello, we have imported another package. So that is the one of the way using the package name dot asterisk. If you use package name dot asterisk as just in the first program I explained you, all the classes and interfaces of this package will be accessible, but not sub packages. Keep this thing in mind, but not sub packages. What is the sub package concept? I'll come later. So inside a package, like inside a folder, there might be another folders. Similarly in Java, inside a package, there might be another package. So if you import that upper package, then the sub packages will not be available. Inside that package, whatever the classes and interfaces are there, that will be accessible. So you have to import that package, including the sub packages. To import keywords is used to make the classes and interfaces of another package accessible to current package. How? Here I have given the example. See here, there is a package pack. Inside there we have a class A. Now if you want to import in the default package, then what you have to do? Import package pack dot asterisk. So all the classes and interface which is there in the package pack will be available. Yes, if you want to create that, you have to create a particular, if you want to show it, then you have to create a default project. You have to name default. I have given anything, you can give any other name. I have given the name default. So in default package we have src. Inside there you can write down one simple class. Then this class, as I'm not giving any, I have not yet added any project, so it will come into the default project, this class. What is the name of the class should I supposed to give? I'll give print name class. Class name should be print name. Yes, I have given the name print name over here. So I'll close these things in front of you so that you don't get confused. So print, see this here, the default name has come up, correct? Because you have not created any package, so it will go to the default package. Even if you don't create any package, the IDE will make a default package with the name of default, the name of the project. Yes, and in the default project we have the print name. Now if you want to create these lines of code inside the print name, if I write down these lines of the code, then what will happen? It will give an error because it can't recognize what is A is. The class A it can't understand, because class A we have not created in this particular program, right? We have not created, right? So we need to create one new project and keep that class A over there and access that. How to access that? That's what we'll discuss here. Okay, we'll create from the directory itself. The name of the project is pack. So the same name you have to provide over here. Pack only you have to provide. Yes, because we are going to create the package named pack. So the folder name should be that only. So in the package name we will create a class. Here the name of the class should be A. So I'll give the name A over here. You can give some other name also, because it is not taking any public static void main statement. So it's always feasible and better to give the same name. Public void message is printing this particular statement, hello. Correct. Now from the print name, if we import this package pack, then only A can be recognized. So how will import that? That's what you are learning, right? Import pack is sufficient. Import pack is sufficient. See, import pack and then all, or you have to specify the name of the class. So I have given here, that's the first way of accessing. What? This is the first way of accessing a package. What is the statement? Import name of space, that is what I'll write here, import name of package dot asterisk. So what will happen in this way? All the classes and interfaces which is available in this package will be available to this program, and that's why it can be run properly. And it will print what? Hello, because here we are doing hello. If you don't want to give hello, then if you want to try buy, then buy will be printed definitely. So even though the class A is available in some other package, if you want to use that class A in your program, you have to use the import statement in this way. That's the one way. That's what this PDF says. Now the next way is also shown to you, is in this program. I'll show it right now. So by using package name dot class name. So in this case, what will happen? What's the difference will make? Then only declared class of this package will be accessible, nothing else. Only the declared class of this package will be accessible. So if I write down pack.a, then what will happen? Then only this A class will be available. So if it has some other class also, suppose I'll create another class, okay, over there, name B. So it's for your good So for your good understanding, I'll create a class B now. Okay. So this package has two classes now, A and B. Yes, in the B class, we are printing, suppose, okay, I'll copy the code of A to B and give some other name. So in B, we are printing public void B message. Okay, and in A, we are printing A message. Just follow me properly. In the class A, which is there inside the package pack, we have a method AMSG, which is public void, so it can be accessible by anyone. And in the B class, which is also available in the package pack, we have not having B messages, the method BMSG, which is also public void, correct? And here you are writing by B, and here we will write by A, so that if you call, we can understand the differences. Now, if you want to create, yes, okay, here it is giving error because we have changed the name of the method to A messages. Yes, now if you execute that, you can see it's being executed, correct? Now we'll see the difference between asterisk and this. Now we'll make it to asterisk again. Yes, and we have created the object of A and it's working so nicely. Now we'll create the object of B here. Object of the class B. Yes, and give the other name, object 1. Now we'll call the B message. Will it work? Yes, definitely it should supposed to work, right? Because we have imported everything from the package. So when you're writing this, pack.a is also imported, pack.b is also imported. That is, the class A is also imported, class B is also imported. So if you execute this, we can see by A and by B both. See, by A and by B both are printed, because by A is printed because you are calling a.msg, and by B is printed because you are calling b.msg also. Yes, you are calling A MSG method and B MSG method both. So you are getting both the outputs. Yes, it's clearly understandable. But if you specify a particular class name over here, then this part will not be executed. It can't recognize now the method named B, the class name B. So it doesn't understand what the B is, because you have just, see, it's error, it's coming error. B cannot be resolved only, see, B cannot be resolved to a type. It can't understand, JVM now can't understand what is B is actually, what you are doing with the B. Yes, because you have just imported in your file package in the package pack and the class A, not B. Similarly, if you import B over here, then this part will give error. See, now here the error has started coming. It can't resolve now A. A cannot be resolved to a type. It can't understand what is A, because only package B is class B is available in this particular program. So that's the difference between giving asterisk and a particular class. So when you need a particular class from that package, just give the name of that class, otherwise give asterisk. Yes. Now there is another way. This is the first and second way is gone through. Now I'm going through the third way, that is using the full qualified name. Yes, the full qualified names means you have to provide that which particular things you are going to use, which particular package, in which particular folder, and which particular object, which particular class you are using. So no need to go through over there. Don't write down this line only. Don't import at the beginning. Rather, you import here. See. So what you're doing over here, check it out. OBJ and OBJ2 here, okay. See, now it's working. So what you're doing over here, we are telling that we are going to access a class from the package pack, and we are going to call the class A's default constructor, which is available in package pack. Similarly, we are going to create the object 2 of the class B by calling the default constructor, which is available in the package pack. Similarly, here also you are specifying pack.b. Then this program will now run. Although you have not imported anything, it will give the by A, by B. See, by A and by B has come. It is printing the by A from here and by B from there, because we are calling B MSG and A MSG methods using the object of the class A and B. So how we are specifying here? The full qualified name. The full qualified name, that is pack.A and pack.b. So no need to import anything over here. But this process will take more time for you. Better to import at the very beginning. Now we'll learn about the subpackages in Java. What do you mean by subpackages? Subpackages are the packages inside another package. As the name implies, it is created for categorize the package further. Yes, there are lots of the example in in Java's default and system defined packages where we have lots of the subpackages. An example is given over here. We have the socket operation, server socket operation, input output operation, reader and writer operation. So Sun microsystem has defined a package which consists of a particular upper name of the package, Java package. Now java.lang consists of the language related package. Java.io consists of the input output related package. Java.net consists of the net related packages and so on. Yes. In IO package, input output IO package, server and socket into the net packages and so on. So I'll show you right now how to create the sub packages here. How user defined sub packages can be created here. So there is a package pack A, and in the same package pack we have created another class B and given the name BMSG as I showed you in the class. So here hello from A and hello from B have given, I have written by A and by B in the project. Now, so now you can create another package. See, that is the name of the package is hello, which is there inside the package pack. It's very interesting, right? So you're seeing that I'll create another package here. Where? In the pack. In the package pack only I'll create another package. So right click over here. In this package only you are going to create another package. Yes, it's very interesting, na? So you're writing this name of the packages as hello. Follow this step. These are not very easy actually for a beginner. Yes. So this hello package is created now. Yes, inside there you create a class. The name class is subpack method. Yes. Sorry, you have to create folder for that, na? Create a folder here. Inside the folder, give the name hello. Otherwise, you will create a package, fresh package. Now see, sorry, I have created this by mistake. The package, not the package. You have to create a folder. Yes, now package dot is displaying what? Pack.hello. So to create a sub package, what you require, right click over there, go to the folder. So every time you create a sub package, you have to right click, go to new and create on the folder, not on the package. If you create on the package, then what will happen? A fresh package will be created. Yes, that we don't need. We need sub package, right? So you have to create on the folder. Then you go right click over there and create the class as usual. The name of the class should be what? Subpack method. That's what I have given the name over there. That's why I'm writing this. Otherwise, you can give any class, as you know. See this now. What is displaying over here? The package is pack.hello. So it's the package name actually. The name of the package is what? Pack.hello. So it's telling that hello is the sub package of the package pack. I repeat, it tells that hello is the sub package of the package pack. So pack.hello. There will be classes. So this subpack method will be in the pack. If you want to import this subpack method, you have to write import pack.hello.subpack method class. Understood, na? So you have to write down import. Let me repeat. You have to write import space pack.hello.subpack method semicolon. So now I'll write down this method completely. Yes, now subpack method is available now. Now from the same package, if you want to declare these things, then what will happen? Tell me. That's now in your understanding. You imagine, try to imagine here. In print name, if you are doing these things, then what will happen? Let me check that any syntactical error will come or not. For this, yes. Subpack object obj, because you have not imported, sorry. I have to import this pack. So now if I import pack, then as you can see, these two are working, correct? So let me just go through one by one, diagnose, trial and error. You can understand clearly. By A and by B is displayed. By A is displayed from class A dot A dot class A dot A MSG method, and from the class B, if you call object of the class B through B MSG method, then by B is displaying, correct? So this method is displaying by A and this method calling is displaying by B, as simple as that. But what if we want to create an object of the subpack method? No, I'll write down this. It's giving error because it doesn't know what subpack method is. But subpack method is available in this package, package pack only. But no, subpack method is a class which is available inside the pack, but there is another subpackage. You have to tell that subpackage, you have to import that subpackage also. Otherwise, it will not be recognized. See, I'll import that. It's maybe in the down program. Yes. So I'll have to write down this statement there. Now it will work. So basically, we are telling that it is in the pack.hello. We are going to import pack.hello also, this package. See, right, look at my cursor. I have to import this package, pack.hello. Getting? So in this pack.hello, we have which method? Subpack method. This class. This is the name of the class. Subpack method is the name of the class. See this? Subpack method is the name of the class, as you have seen. As you have seen earlier. So it's there in the pack.hello package. So pack is the name of the package. Hello is the name of the subpackage. And we are creating this user-defined subpackage. Like java.lang. Java is the package. .lang. This lang is the subpackage. But java.lang is a Java system-defined package. And here you are creating subpackage of our own created user-defined package. Now I'll uncode this. Now this object obj3 can call subpack method message, and then what will be the output? Hello from subpack method will be the printed. If you now by A by B, hello from subpack method will be displayed. See, it's now displaying. So you understood the difference between importing package.asterisk and package.hello.asterisk. You can even specify this class name here, as you have known. Yes, then also it will work. Or you can specify here twice, import pack.a and pack.b. That's also all fine. Then also it will give all the output correctly. See here, the same output will get. Yes, the thing is that there is a difference between pack.a and pack.b importing and importing pack.hello.subpack method, because pack.hello is now become a separate package kind of thing, because it has a subpackage hello. Yes, so I hope that you understood each and every concept related to this packages. So I hope that the Java package concept is clear in front of you. If you still have some doubt, if you're not understanding any particular concept over there, you can put into the comment section. I'll give the answers over there. At the same time, I'll post this note. Okay, whatever the things I've taught over there, this notes I'll keep into the description of the video so that you can download and you can learn it from here. So please don't drag this video. If you have any doubt, again watch it completely. Open your IDE or any other Java, just if you can open by using command prompt also, and you can execute this program and you can get the concept of package 100% clear in front of you. Hope that it will help you out. If you help and if you feel like you are learning in this way from my video tutorials, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.